Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes from Jamna Christian Junior High School. I Vishal Anand. Today I teach you GK of class 5, chapter 17, languages around the world. In this chapter, we learn the languages around the world. In this chapter we have given crossword puzzles. You can see this like this. Crossword puzzle. First we completed the down questions and then across questions. Okay, come on the chapter. The clues in this chapter, the clues is also given and we complete the crossword. Okay, the official language of Japan is, the answer is Japanese. We feel Japanese like this. Japanese, Japanes, Japanese. Okay, right? And now come on the second question. The second question is, the official language of Russia is, the answer is Russian. Official language of Russia is Russian. Okay. And third one is fifth question. The fifth one is, the national language of Pakistan is Urdu. Urdu is the official language of Pakistan. The answer is Urdu. Okay, come on the sixth. The official language of Turkey is, the right answer is Turkish. Okay, Turkish is the official language of Turkey. Come on, question number 8. Italian. The official language of Italy is Italian. Italian is the official language of Italy. The national language of Australia is English. 10th clue is, the national language of Australia is English. The right answer is English. Okay. 11. The official language of Austria is, the right answer is German. Repeat, German. 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 The last down clues are, the official language of Israel is Hebrew. The spelling of Hebrew is Hebrew. Okay, right. Come on the next side, across clues. This clause is given in across clues. The third one is, the official language of Iran is Persian. Persian. The official language of Iran is Persian. Persian is the official language of Iran. The fourth one, the official language of Spain is Spanish. Spanish. Spanish is the official language of Spain. The seventh, the official language of Bangladesh is Bengali. 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 Come on the ninth one. The official language of Portugal is Portuguese. Portuguese is the official language of Portugal. Spelling of Portuguese is Portuguese. Portuguese. 13. The official language of Sweden is Swedish. Swedish is the official language of Sweden. 14. Clue number 14 is, the official language of France is French. French is the official language of France. 15th, clue number 15. The official language of Yemen is, the answer is Arabic. Arabic is the official language of Yemen. Now the last clue is 16. Is the official language of Greece is Greek. Greek is the official language of Greece. Now chapter 17 is half yearly syllabus. We have to chapter 20. Chapter 20 is national flag. In this chapter, we have given below the national flag of some countries, and we have to identify them and write the name of the corresponding countries. Okay. The first question, the first flower is hibiscus. Hibiscus is the national flower of Malaysia. The answer is Malaysia. Question number second. Picture number second is lavender. Picture number second is lavender. The lavender is the national flower of Portugal. Lavender is the national flower of Portugal. Okay, third picture. Third picture is lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. The answer is India. Now fourth one. Picture number 4. Dahlia. Dahlia is the national flower of Mexico. Okay, right? Now fifth one. Golden beetle. Golden beetle is the national flower of Australia. The answer is Australia. Sixth one. The sixth one is water lily. Water lily. Water lily is the national flower of Bangladesh. Bangladesh. The answer 6 is Bangladesh. Okay, come on, 7. The sixth answer is Bangladesh. Water lily is the national flower of Bangladesh. 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 Okay, right. 7. Picture number 7. Tulip. Tulip. This flower is tulip. Tulip is the national flower of Turkey. The answer is Turkey. Seventh answer is Turkey. Now come on the 8th picture. Thistle. Thistle is the national flower of Scotland. 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 Picture number 9 is cherry blossom. This flower is cherry blossom. Cherry blossom is the national flower of Japan. 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 Cherry blossom is the national flower of Japan. Now 10th. Come on the 10th picture. Cornflower. Cornflower. Cornflower is the national flower of Germany. Germany. The answer is 10th answer is Germany. Okay. Come on the second last is 11th. Shamrock. This picture is shamrock. Shamrock is the national flower of Ireland. The answer 11th is Ireland. Okay. Now last one is jasmine. Jasmine flower is the national flower of Pakistan. 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 Now, chapter 20 is also completed. This is all for today. I will send you PDF of these chapters along with this video. Okay, thank you.